Now we will sew the top of the side seam to create a fold line. This will help keep the shape of the tote bag. Align the side seams of the shell and hem allowances like this and pin in this direction. Fold the side seam from the inside and match the edges. Then baste using a knotted double-threaded needle, about 1 centimeter from this edge. Secure the thread with a backstitch and sew to where the lining starts on the inside. Secure the thread again with a backstitch. Repeat for the other side seam. Next, we will baste the top of the side fold lines. First, we will fold along the top of the side fold. Align the top edges, then baste about 1 centimeter from this edge. Secure the thread with a backstitch and sew to where the lining starts. Secure the thread here with a backstitch. Repeat for the rest of the side folds. We start by sewing the top of the side seam from the inside. Align the folded edge with the right side of the presser foot. Leave a long tail. Sew about 5 millimeters from the top edge with a reverse stitch. Finish here about 5 millimeters above the lining with a reverse stitch. Leave a long tail and cut. Repeat for the other side seam. We do the same for the top of the fold lines. First, we feel where the lining starts and pin to mark it. Align the folded edge with the right side of the presser foot. Start sewing about 5 millimeters from the top edge, leaving a long tail. Do a reverse stitch and sew down. We want to finish here about 5 millimeters above the pin mark. Finish with a few reverse stitches. Leave a long tail and cut. Repeat for the top of the other side folds. Remove all the basting threads. Now we will hide all the thread ends between the layers. If you like, you can cut the loose ends right here, but bringing them to the back will give our bag a finer finish. Once the threads are on the back, we can secure them with a needle. Pass the needle between the layers and sew 2 small back stitches. making sure the thread is not visible from the right side. Pass the thread between the layers, pull, and cut to hide the ends. Repeat for all the loose thread ends. Now we need to press along the top edge of the bag. Press from the inside like this. Now we press the fold lines at the top on both sides like this. Next, we press this section of the handles using a press cloth. To give structure to the bag and strengthen the bottom as well, we can place a piece of stiff material inside along the bottom of the bag. Here we have a piece of flexi-firm which can be purchased from a sewing supply store. We need to cut it a bit smaller than the bottom of our bag. We know the bottom of the bag is 14 centimeters wide and 46 centimeters long. We will cut a rectangular shape that is 1.5 centimeters narrower and 1.5 centimeters shorter. That is a 12.5 by 44.5 centimeter rectangle. Draw a line. Measure 44.5 centimeters on it and mark here. And here at the starting point. Now place the triangle ruler here at this mark. Align this edge with this line and draw a line. Repeat on this side. Now measure 12.5 centimeters on each line and mark. Connect the marks and cut the rectangle out. We trim the corners to smooth them out. We place the flexi-firm inside along the bottom of the bag. Here is our finished tote bag.
Thank you for joining me. Until next time.